In this video, I'll be reviewing how to use the Ngram Analyzer in SEO workflows, going through the different functionalities and how to utilize each. It's honestly fairly simple, so this should be relatively quick. All we need to do is we could come in here and we could grab a list of keywords. This has about 11,000 keywords. You could really use any type of data for this. I'm using SEO keywords, but there's a lot of different use cases. This is really just a data mining tool when it comes to it. So I just added 11,000 keywords for a website into the tool. Come in here and you'll either put normal text or URLs. If you click URLs, it will look for parts of URLs like forward slashes, and it'll actually parse that into words for you. So you don't have to worry about making any adjustments to data beforehand. You pick the type of Ngram. So you can do uni, bi, tri, 4, 5, meaning single words, 2-word phrases, 3-word phrases. For the sake of this, let's just use all types. And then you'll see that message just went away because all of the inputs are now available. You see it's telling you need to complete the remaining fields, and I can add that in. Generally speaking, unless you have a reason to not use these, I would keep these both checked. Where it says remove stop words, that removes words like a, and, things that don't necessarily make up something with semantic meaning will be removed out of the list and won't come up as different ngrams. And make lowercase. Obviously, this data set doesn't have any capitalization versus lowercase, but if your data set does, capitalization versus non-capitalized mean different things to this program. So if you don't check that, for example, you might have 2 words that are the same exact word, but different capitalization that show up within your data set. If you check that, that won't happen. It'll make everything lowercase for you. So minimum frequency is the minimum amount of words that need to exist for the word to show up in the output data set. And the max results is just to put a cap on it. It's like, okay, I don't want some list of like 100,000 different ngrams. I'm going to just cap this. The default's 10,000. We can make it whatever you want. Once you're done with these, you just hit start job. It will take a moment. Data conversion complete. Then you'll be faced with a little dashboard like this, which gives you some filter options if you want to, dig into the data set a little bit more. It gives you some views right here of the different outputs. You could see, agency is the largest, the marketing. This was a marketing agency website, so that makes a lot of sense. Digital, 555. So this is saying 555 unique keywords have the word digital in it. And, going down from there. At the top, you'll see a few things. You could export this to CSV. You could download this as an image if you want to put it on like a presentation. You could email the report, which will send you the CSV download as well as the screenshot of the actual view. And this, just if you want to clean up the view a little bit. Once you download the CSV, it's pretty easy to utilize this data. But yeah. That is about it for this tool. Hopefully that all makes sense. And of course, reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.